Hey guys, ladies, news you should know this week is all about the females and Simon Cowell. Hashtag news you should know.
You're watching Misty Kingma. News you should know.
Hello, smart people. I have lots of lady-friendly news for you today. First of all, Emily Maynard is going to be the new Bachelorette. Remember, she was the one that Brad Womack proposed to. She said yes, they dated, and then they broke up. But apparently she's had a change of heart and agreed to be ABC's new Bachelorette, which is sort of a slap in the face to the girls that are currently on The Bachelor with Ben right now, because normally one of them would be up for The Bachelorette next season, but for some reason this whole Emily phenomenon is continuing. There's something about her that people just are obsessed with, and we just can't figure out what that is yet. In other baffling news, Iran has recently been enforcing their ban on Barbie dolls. The morality police have been making toy stores shut down if they're caught selling Barbie dolls in an effort to curb Western influence in their culture. Okay, I get it. You know, Barbies in bathing suits and in short skirts is not really cool when your culture makes women be all covered up and stuff. But let's be adults, okay? And let's have a conversation with Mattel, maybe, and ask them to please make Barbies styled more appropriately for the Middle East. Shall we? To make up for the loss of Barbies overseas, American sorority girls are coming to the UK. The new ladies in town are all thanks to TLC, whose new reality show Sorority Girls will follow 5 American sorority girls as they try to successfully set up the first ever sorority in England, Sigma Gamma. The girls will be followed around for 8 weeks as they try to gain pledges and some respect. You can watch the show on TLC January 31st at 9 o'clock Eastern. I might check it out. Haven't decided yet. In other lady news, Rachel Bilson is trying to clear a few things up about herself and her show on the CW, Heart of Dixie, where she plays a doctor who relocates from New York to a small town. I guess there's a few things that people are questioning about the show, so in a very unique promotional effort, Rachel Bilson is now a rapper.
You said I don't look like a what? Like a real doctor? A real doctor wouldn't dress like me, wouldn't act like me, wouldn't look like me? Hell nah.
Lab coat, Dolce, clipboard, Prada, Vera Wang, shorts, name tag, doctor. C-dub, bitches, what the fuck you expect? Call me doctor, stethoscope hanging around my neck. Sing chick, new shit, new show, full clip, fresh dip, new kicks, only Jimmy Choo's, bitch.
Okay, so I don't know if her rapping career is going to take off, but what will take off is the next winner of the next season of Britain's Got Talent, according to Simon Cowell. He is going to be a judge on the upcoming season of the hit UK show, and he wants the winner to be the first person to perform in space. He's going to make sure they get there, if they want to, of course. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.